This is a review of the Golden Herbs Matcha Japanese tea, and the brand sent this to me so that I can test it out and do a review. This particular matcha does state that it comes directly from Japan, and it is shade grown. It's ceremonial grade, and it's organic. How we're going to be doing this is we are going to be adding a half teaspoon of our matcha to a cup. And I don't have the matcha whisk, but I do have an electric one. Ooh, how green that is. Can you see that? Oh. Oh, and the umami flavor scent is just divine. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're adding a half teaspoon. Again, look at how green that is. Okay. And then we're adding about 5 ounces of hot water. Okay, you see that? Okay. How green, frothy, and delicious that looks. The ingredients in here states it's just organic matcha green tea. And this Japanese matcha is absolutely delicious.